What's up, man? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, maybe not the purple tints, but the bike is back there. We're heading to the trails. Unfortunately, I did want to hit Croom today. I just couldn't wake up, to be honest with you. The work week just took a little toll on me, so need a few extra hours of sleep. But we're headed to Bone Valley nonetheless, at least get a little bit of riding in. I know we've been riding a lot there lately, but I don't know. It's for what it is, I enjoy it. You know, they kind of got everything there. And it's cheap to ride too. So, yeah, we're going to get to it. I really want to test out this Action 5 that I got. The GoPro and it just turned off. Really, it won't record anything. So I had to upgrade. I watched a lot of reviews, and the Action Pro 5 just seems to be a better camera overall compared to the 13. So, I'm coming from a Hero 10, so it should be an upgrade either way. So I really want to test that out. But yeah, I'll tap in with you guys when we get there. Setup on the cam. This is usually how I have it set up. I find it picks up the audio the best. I just want to see the audio difference between this and the Hero 10. I know the Hero 10 lacks, and this is kind of supposed to be, you know, superior as far as audio and action cameras. So we'll see how that works out today. Just want to show you all the setup, man. Gonna hop on the bike and see what we can do. Since it's the last couple of times I went out here, the face is a little down today. I can tell you I'm already liking about this camera. It has the internal storage, so if you're like me, I forgot my SD card today. But I believe it still has like 45 or 46 gigs of internal storage, so it worked out for me today already. And the battery life is still showing like 2 hours of recording with that internal storage, so that's pretty much. GoPro doesn't have that. Try to get away from all these people for a second. Get the bike warmed up a little bit. Tried to record this before, but GoPro Pro I don't know. Really fun. They might have switched it up. I like bark busters, but obviously they're useful. I just don't like the aesthetics of them. Cheater. Oh, whoa. That's barbed wire. I'm tripping. I can do that.
Might not be built for this. Seems longer than it actually is, but fun nonetheless. What the fuck? That's like probably the worst track ever, but it's like low key. So, but none of this never maintained. Like it's rough, dude. It's crazy. Chill out. Those are like the two most fun trails I think out here. They have good flow to them for the most part. I kind of thought I could roll over. And like bounce over that rut, but it was way deeper than I thought it was.